Hey developers, IBM is hiring for the research intern role and the work location is Gurgaon and Bangalore. Talking about the required education and qualification, bachelor degree required and master degree students can also apply for this role. Preferred education and required education. Talking about the required technical and professional expertise, excellent coding skills in Java, Python, including Pandas, NumPy, Python libraries, and data structures and algorithms. Problem solving, linear algebra, probability statistics, experience with VS Code, Jupyter Notebook, Git. Means if you have knowledge in Java or Python, GitHub, problem solving, you can apply for this role. And here is the sub area means you can go in these areas according to your education skills and after all interview process. First one is like skill development, second one is AI for quantum. You can read about these areas, quantum algorithm and engineering. Fourth one is service infrastructure and reliability, like in service infrastructure and reliability, knowledge of required knowledge of Kubernetes, CI/CD, GitOps, Linux, ISAC, and open source contribution. Familiarity with building services in Node.js, TypeScript, Python, VectorDB, or both development. So this is an interesting internship by the IBM. Now move to the next. Hiring by the Motorola Solutions, means Motorola company for the apprentice training, and this Motorola hiring is for the Gurgaon location. And talking about the required qualifications, currently pursuing a degree in business, marketing, engineering or related field. Means if you pursuing BB Tech related to these branches, you can apply for this role. And a strong interest in the defense sector and sales function. If you talk about this role, it is related to sales support, customer outreach, market research, sales administration, event support, data analysis, calibration. So these are the key responsibilities. You work on them. And other qualifications like proficiency in Microsoft Office Suite, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Google Workspace. So these are the requirements. So apply for these two internship and full-time roles. Now end this video. Post job links below in the description and hit a like button, do comment and subscribe Skillly for more job updates.